Hello everyone, welcome to Solly's Models. Quite excited today, all the small things as usual excite me. Finally got some new tracks that pretty much fit the sprockets for my Panzer IV. These are Easylinks, metal Easylinks. Nice little white metal pieces. And as suggested, very easy to put together. So we get a massive bag of track links, white metal, very nice little pieces. Nice little pieces, and very easy as to slot together. Hopefully you can see there. There's a couple of little pins there. That each link slots in together, and there's like, if you like, a little bar which would be, I suppose, would be the real pin, if you like. So it says easy to put together, quite easy to help. Is get some double-sided sticky tape, preferably some good-sided sticky tape. This is a bit old, so it's sticky somewhere. And just plonk your tracks down. Each one there, and then we get the next one. I'll get some tweezers, make it a little bit easier. I'll just slot them over the top of the horns. Nice, that needs a bit of a clean. These are pretty clean, quite nice little clean moulds. But just have a little bit of a look. If they need doing, just give them a little bit of a file down. White metal is quite easy to clean up. So with the sticky tape down, it makes it a lot easier to just put everything down, doesn't move too much. We'll do these in sort of maybe quarter sections. Put these together quite simply, and then with a screwdriver back. Work. It's a bit caggy-handed for me this way. There we go. Nicely put together there. Set them up. Look at that. Nice bit of track there. Nice and wibbly wobbly, just as we like. So that will then, we'll put these two together because it's not going to be a long enough length to show. We get the main body part there, get them through, and then we can get, probably a bit saggier than probably we want, but you know, you get a nice sag, pretty realistic there. Probably looking at something about that really, but we'll see when they all go together. So it's only going to be mainly across the top. You'll sort of, there we go, that's good. I didn't put them together properly. Excellent. Doing that one the opposite way around, that's why. I suppose it probably doesn't really matter which way we go. Just made just a bit special. So when they're on, that's going to be more like it there. There we go. So there we go, some nice metal tracks. I'm waiting for a solution from AK that I've seen. Part of the reason why I wanted Metal Tracks to try, I know I had these Mini Arch, you may remember from a previous video. They are too narrow for this kit, but there is one issue that I'm having with this kit, and I'll need to find a solution, is actually the sprockets. The issue I had initially is that I think I glue the two parts wrong. You know, it's like you get all the stuff off the sprues, bits are everywhere, and you kind of forget where stuff goes. And this one, I'll see if we can get this. I don't know if we can see that the sprockets are out of alignment, which is massively useful. These ones aren't too bad, they're pretty straight on. See there, but I have had to bend the sprocket in a little bit to actually get the links to fit over. There is a little bit of force in with these. There we go, to get them in. They will go. Being white metal as well, there's a bit of play in them, but we want them to sit very tight against, I'm going to call it the wheel, so we want it, see it like there. So what I'm going to try and do, I'm struggling to actually try and find get in touch way with Tamiya, which is, I've been finding at the moment proving a bit difficult. Hopefully I'll get there. I might have a bit of a search around, see if I can get some replacement sprockets that will fit. It's just a bit of a pain in the backside that a lot of companies, you just can't, they sort of either partly to do with the size of the kit, the way it fits together. The company might have with sizing slight differentiation in the scale. So like I says, I mean, these are 1/35. Find them again. Now these Mini Art ones are also 1/35. See if they match. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's ridiculous. It's not even slightly close. You know, it's not even like millimetre out or anything. That's quite a bit. You know, quite a bit of difference. I mean, even against the tracks that come with the kit, these rubber ones that I don't want to use, I'm determined not to use. You know, they're not the same there. There's a massive difference in, you know, in the scale of them. I mean, these are slightly out actually, looking at it, but not by much. A little bit less. You know. I mean, even the gap between sort of the linkage where the sprocket goes is pretty much the same, same sort of size. So yeah, so we're gonna have a bit of tinkering around. I'll have a little bit of luck, but it might be something I might have, with Christmas approaching, might have to wait till after Christmas to try and sort that out. I mean, I wouldn't get them before Christmas anyway, but there's no major rush at the moment. So there we have it, Easy Links. I would recommend them, to be honest with you. They're great, they're nice, they're definitely going to give a nice effect. I have looked at them on a couple of other YouTube channels. I was trying to think of one, it's gone out of my head. If I can find it, I'll pop it in there. You know, and they seem great. I am happy with them because I know that the issue is these buggers. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on that and see how that goes. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I hope that helps. Any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.